Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you what I got in the Coloured Raine $20 mystery box. I love Coloured Raine makeup. It's good quality. The prices are not too bad. So when I ordered this, I also ordered 3 other things. So they're all in the same box. But I'll show you what I bought first and then we'll see what's in the mystery. So looking at the invoice, I bought 2 loose eyeshadow, one in the shade Native and one in Vintage. And I got the Call the Shots highlighter and blush duo from the Power collection. I'm really excited about that. Okay. And here is how it came. Nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. Okay, and it looks like the 2 eyeshadows I bought are on the top. Yeah. Here's Native. And here is Vintage. I'll go ahead and swatch them before I add them to my Z palette. See what they look like. This one is Vintage. Oh, that's beautiful. Yes, I like that. Add it to the Z palette. As you can see, I have a lot of room in here. So I'll add that one here. And then the next one called Native. It's in the same color family, but this one is a matte. It's kind of like a terracotta color. Ooh, that's beautiful. Put that one right here. And there it is. Okay. Pop that one in here. And then we call the shots. Yeah. Oh, I just got happy. I just saw another one in here. So they included another one in the mystery box. Oh, can't wait to see what color that one is. But this one is called the Shots, the one that I ordered. And it has a mirror on there, and it's this beautiful orangey coral type color. I think I'm going to put some on right now. Let's see. Take this brush. I can't wait to see what it looks like on my face. Very pretty. Okay. And the highlighter too. Ooh, nice. Oh, very nice. Okay. So that's called the Shots. And now on to what's included in the $20 mystery box. As I mentioned, there's another one of these. This one is called Damage Control. I don't remember what this looked like because, of course, I did look at all of them over and over before I decided which one to get. And there was another one that I wanted too. Oh, yeah. I believe this might be the one that I wanted, but I just didn't add it on. It's beautiful. Let's see. A beautiful pink. Like a nice warm pink. Let's try it out. Ooh. You don't need much of this. Wow. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, and I want to try the highlighter too. Wow. I like that. Alrighty, so far so good. So this was part of the mystery box. And Focal Point Glow Lighter. I'm thinking this is another highlighter. Vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, talc-free. And this is, oh, it's a white highlighter. Or silver, maybe? Let's see. Oh, it's actually pink. It has a pink and gold kind of shift. I don't know if we can tell in the light, but wow, I like this a lot. Okay. Lovely highlighter. And I have some more eyeshadows in here. We have 3 eyeshadows. Okay, this one is called Gingerbread. And Superstar. And then the third one is Unexpected. All right, let's see what they look like before I put them in the palette. Okay, here is Unexpected. Wow, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, I like that. Put that in there with my other green eyeshadow. And Superstar. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice gold color. There's Superstar. Put that one in there. And the final eyeshadow is Gingerbread. There's Gingerbread. It's close to my skin tone, so it doesn't show up too well. But it's there, right there. And then I have 4 of something else. Let's see, these are liquid glitter toppers. So I'm guessing these are for your eyes. Let's see. Yeah. I'm pretty sure this is for your eye. This one is called Rico. These are all from the Power Collection too. That's fun. Let's see what Rico looks like. What if I need to shake them up? Okay. Ooh. Pretty silvery sparkle. There's Rico. And the next one is Conspiracy. Oh, this is beautiful. A nice blue. There's Conspiracy right here. Sparkle blue. And the next one is Connect. Oh, this one is gold. I'm gonna put it next to this gold one right here. Pretty. Get a little bit more. There it is. That's pretty. And then the final one is called Indictment. Oh, and this is purple. Nice. Okay. Wow. That's beautiful. And there's Indictment. Okay, so I have 4 of these glitter toppers. And then we have some lashes. These are Faux Ink, and they're called Checkmate. Looks like they're in the box upside down. Okay. Yeah, they should be like this. Checkmate. These are nice. They have a picture of a model wearing them. Okay. And then the final thing looks like a gift. Oh, okay. I saw this on the site too, and I almost got it. This is 2 sponges, and it has some soaps in there. I didn't notice that it had soaps when I was looking at it. But this is so cute. I almost bought this. The only reason that I didn't buy it is because just a couple of weeks ago, I bought these eggs from Beauty Bakery. The organic eggs. Okay, so I wonder if I should open this. It's wrapped so pretty. I guess I'll open it. Come in this little case. And there's a red one. Red swirl. They're soft too. And the green swirl. And then you have the little cleaning soaps. Smells like soap. Yeah, the scent is the same. It's just the label is different. But this is so cute. Put the ribbon back on it. So in the $20 Coloured Raine mystery box, we got the sponges, the 2 sponges and the 2 soaps. A pair of lashes, Faux Ink lashes. I got 4 of the Power Collection glitter toppers. I got a highlighter with a beautiful pink shift. I got the Damage Control blush and highlighter duo from the Power Collection. And these 3 eyeshadows. Okay, I think that was a really good deal for only $20. These 4 toppers alone more than paid for the box. And I got all the other stuff too. So this was a nice surprise. I'm really happy with this $20 mystery box. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.